Oh, and thank you for joining me. This is Charlie, your life insurance life coach. It is 2016, and I'm so glad to be on and to be sharing some inspirational wisdom for you. Today, we're going to talk about the subject is what you're pretending not to know. You have noticed so many people are losing their lives lately. It is so sad. But the saddest part about it is that they're losing their lives and families are still having to do fundraisers such as GoFundMe accounts and car wash events and all kind of stuff to try to get money to bury their family. But I want to share with you today, if you don't protect nobody else, protect yourself. Make sure that your family don't embarrass your family, first of all. Don't embarrass your family, because one thing that I promise you is death is going to come. It's going to visit us all. It's something that's inevitable that we cannot ignore. It's going to happen. So make sure that you have enough insurance coverage that your family do not have to be embarrassed by the fact of trying to go out and raise money to put you away or to bury you, period, or to cremate you, whatever it is. Make sure that you have enough money that your wallet can speak beyond the grave so your family do not have to suffer, at least for a year. If you can't afford anything but just enough money so they do not have to suffer for at least a year. Do your current seed that you have, are you planting a seed that's going to leave a legacy for your children? What are you doing? You go out, you buy clothes, you buy the latest fashion. I'm so sick of looking at people every time they looking at what kind of gear they got on. And those be the same people that don't have a life insurance policy. And those be the same people that death visit them unexpectedly and they family have to do a fundraiser for them. So I want to share with you today, as you know, my husband passed away in 2012 and I only had a $10,000 policy. That policy would not pay because we had 3 more months before the policy would have become full term. What they did, they returned the premium and a little interest. That's what you're going to get. You know that the insurance, when you hear grace period, you hear terms like that, that is not in your favor. That's in the favor of the insurance provider. That gives them enough time to, if you were to pass away within the 2 years, that gives them enough time to turn around and just only send your family back the premiums that they had already put into the policy. Make sure that you take care of your family. Make sure that you take care of yourself. And I just want to say that we don't have to hold up those car wash signs and help donation signs. We don't have to do that. We are in an information age that you can take a small policy. And for those of you who don't qualify for a regular life insurance policy because you have some type of health issues, by all means, you can always get, I have a policy that can help you where you don't have to, they don't have to come out and do no medical exam, but we could do it's called a simplified policy. It costs a tiny bit more, but you think about the after effect for your family, it really is worth it. So if you have any type of health issues, you overweight, you're diabetic, you've experienced cancer, you experienced sickle cell, anything that's going to raise a red flag with the insurance carrier because they're not in the business to lose money, you need a simple policy and those policies are usually run from $10,000 to $50,000 and no more. But whatever it is, it's enough for your family to do something with. Do something for you as well as doing something for them. So no longer I want to hear you say, I didn't know that. You can't say that what you're pretending not to know because you know. It's too much information out there for you to know what to do for your family. If you need any help, visit my website, www.insurejust4me.com. That's insurejustforme.com. And I'll be glad to help you. Leave me a message. We can talk. If you already have a policy and you got some questions that you got some questions that you want to ask someone that's going to give you an honest answer, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Anyway, this is Charlie, your life insurance life coach, and I hope you have a super califragious day. Have a great day. We'll talk soon.